You can start. Should I? Okay.
Okay, so we're recording, and our goal is to get you onboarded onto with an Ethereum account, so that you can earn and give project tokens and cryptocurrency to exchange cryptocurrency with people in the new economy, where we print our own money. So why don't you bring up your browser and share your screen, and let's see what you've got. And that looks like Firefox. So that's a good thing. Internet Explorer is not recommended. Okay, so we're going to have to do a little bit of searching here. You have a gear on the top row all the way to the right. Okay. And let me see what that does. What kind of machine do you run? Are you running on?
A Dell.
What?
Dell. A Dell computer.
Oh, a Dell computer. It's a Windows machine, or
Yes.
Windows. Okay, so choose Manage Add-ons, and what we're going to do is we're going to add the Metamask add-on to your browser.
Okay.
And that's sort of like the easiest way to use Ethereum tokens on the decentralized applications that are on the web. It integrates with your browser so that you keep your private key information on your machine in your browser, and that way a remote service never gets to see your private key, and so your cryptocurrency and your tokens are secure because nobody else knows your private key, and it never goes off your machine. So let's see, we want to find add-ons. Find more toolbars and extensions. I guess we have to hit that button. Okay, we have a bunch of extensions here, but I can see you don't have Metamask. So at the bottom, click Find More Toolbars and Extensions. Yeah, double clicking is not a good idea. I mean, sometimes you click once. If you move the mouse a little bit, it doesn't work. Just click it once more and try not to move the mouse.
Okay, I'm going to X out of those other ones because I did that before. Okay, is that good?
That's good. Okay, so add-ons. Scroll down. We want to get to plugins or whatever. Bing, eBay, Google. Oh, those are searches. I see. Okay, so go back up, and I think you can click on the Google search to find it. I haven't used, it's totally different. And I mean, oh, no, that's not what we wanted. Hit the back key. Where's this? Oh, hit this. we're in the Internet Explorer gallery. Okay, so we're definitely in the wrong place. Okay, so kill this. Okay, it looked
Kill
like
it
just exit this, right? And I don't know what this is. I don't know if I should get it. Let me pause this a second. Click at the bottom of your screen, click Firefox. I missed the call anyway. I don't see it right now. Oh, yeah, that's it, Firefox.
Where?
Your cursor's right on it. That's the Firefox symbol.
Oh, over here, up there. You mean
No,
here.
it's up. Oh,
Oh, right.
okay, you're in
Clicked it.
Firefox already. Okay. Now click the hamburger menu all the way to the right.
Hamburger, right there?
Yeah.
Let me move this
Okay.
out of the way.
Now click add-ons. Okay, we're at get add-ons. Personalize your Firefox. Okay. This looks just like Internet Explorer nowadays. I didn't know that. Okay, so scroll down. You may have to hit find more add-ons there. Just want to see what's
Where it's Firefox options, maybe?
hit extension.
Find more add-ons? This one?
Yeah, I guess so. I should be going through this and be one step ahead of you, so I can tell you where to go. And then in the top right, it says find add-ons. Type in Metamask.
M-E-T-A.
M-A-S-K.
Oh, mask. Okay. M-A-S-K.
Okay, click on that. Okay, then you hit add to Firefox.
I'm going to mute myself because my son is in the background.
Add to, yeah.
Should I click where it says, okay, got it, over here?
You might want to check allow this extension to run in private windows. No, I don't know. I guess uncheck that for now. You may be using private windows because you want you don't. So uncheck it. Okay, there's two cases there. You may want it to run because you want to do private stuff with MetaMask, or you may not. You may be running a private window because you don't want to expose any of yourself to the private window. Okay, got it. Okay, so now you have a little MetaMask box next to your hamburger menu up there. So you can click on that.
Is that it? Okay. Oh, look at that. Get started?
Yep, get started. Sounds good to me.
Create
Yeah.
a wallet. Yes, create a wallet.
Yep.
Help us improve. I'm going to say no thanks. Or I agree.
Oh, I usually say okay. I mean, you know, just send statistics to Metamask on your use. So if you want real privacy, say no. But if you want to help them develop, say yes.
Okay. I already said yes. Can I have, can have any characters I want, right?
Yeah. And you should choose a pretty secure password here. Initially, it doesn't matter, but eventually, your tokens may be worth a lot of money. And if somebody has your access, you know, gets access to your computer, you don't want them to steal all your money.
Got it. Now, you said before that it stays on my machine. What happens when this computer dies? It's a pretty old computer.
Okay, well, we'll get to that. Okay, normally you would say don't say for this because here again, you don't want other people doing it. But for now, you could say save if you're pretty sure that nobody else is going to be able to access your computer and you don't have a lot of money in your Ethereum accounts.
Yet.
Okay. Now, it's going to, don't click there yet. It's going to say click here to reveal the secret words. Okay. Right. So stop sharing your screen.
Wait a minute. Wait. Stop share. Okay.
Okay. Now click to reveal your words, and then copy and paste those words someplace safe, and maybe take a picture of them with your camera. Okay.
That's what I'm. Yes.
Okay. Now that depends on the security of your camera. You have to be careful that they get that too. Hopefully they don't know what it's for, and hopefully you remember what it's for.
I will print it and put it somewhere else. So now I don't need this right now, right? I can X out of it. I can go next.
You need to save those right now somewhere. Even if you put them in a notepad or anywhere. Okay, this is your security. And really it should be kept off your computer. You know, print out the notepad and put it in your safe.
Okay, I got it.
Or just print the page. You can just print the page.
Yes, that's what I'm going to do. But I don't need them right now. I have them copied and they're safe. Can I can hit next and go back to sharing with you or what?
Yes. Yes.
So let me hit next. Oh, no, they want me to confirm it. Please select. Now it says, I'll just read it to you. Please select each phrase in order to make sure it is correct. So let me get my words. I am clicking them. It's going to just take a minute.
It wants to make sure that you're not going to lose it. Because people have lost a lot of money. And there's no way to get it back. There's no bank on the, it's self-sovereign money. The blockchain replaces the bank.
Okay. So now, confirm. Congratulations, I passed the test.
Share your screen.
Share my screen. How do I get back? I just have to get back to Zoom. Okay.
See, all this stuff is becoming easy, right?
Yeah. Well, Zoom I'm getting good with. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to click all done.
Okay.
Yes?
Excellent. Sweet.
No money in there.
No money. Shame, shame, shame. Okay. Click details, I guess. See if you can change the name of, I guess account 1 is a fine name, right? You only have one account. Okay, so this is your QR code. Okay, you can, you don't have to do it now. You might want to print that. That's like a paper wallet. Okay.
Just took a picture of it with my phone, and I'm going to print.
So well, if somebody wants to send you money, you just show them that picture on your phone. They scan it, and they can send you money.
Wow.
Okay, so there's your Ethernet address, 0x8c25. Click on that. Click on that. Copy that. Just click on it. It should light up. Oops. Yeah, it's better to just click once, and it lights the whole thing up, and that way you don't miss anything, but that's fine. I think you got the whole thing. And copy, right-click copy, or Control-C.
Okay.
Okay, now you see that export private key button?
Yes.
Okay, don't hit it. Oh, it won't do it right away anyway, but the private key is the real secret. And that's something you might also want to keep with your valuable papers.
So that's different than, oh, that's the account number? And that's different than the private key?
Yeah, the private key is what internally protects the account. You might need that if you want to put this account on in some other wallet. Okay, right now you don't need it.
Okay. And the thing that I copied and highlighted, that's just my account number?
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, now we get you want to, if possible, you want to go back to the Collab Bounty Payoff Rewards decision making matrix. Okay, so I guess open another tab.
Okay, but wait a minute. Where it says export private key, what would that button be for?
That's if you want to put this account into another wallet. Okay, like you want to send it to your phone or something. Or
do I want to do that?
Not now. I mean, you only need one wallet right now. And this is it, the Metamask wallet.
Okay, so I'm going to leave that alone.
Right. In other words, your account is your property anywhere, on any machine, okay, anywhere. But in order to use your account, you have to have the private key. What the key phrase will allow you to recreate the account, but so will the private key, actually. because private keys are so dangerous, they, to be exposed, I guess they use the keywords instead.
Oh, so the words that I have are like equivalent to the private key?
Right.
Okay. And I got the words. Okay. So now what should I do? Should I X this?
Well, you can. What we want to do is open the bounty rewards document, and I can put the link in the chat here. Whoa, that's not the link to it. I just pasted in, "You're welcome" in Chinese. Why doesn't it copy? I don't understand. Oh, that's bizarre. Oh. I keep hitting paste instead of copy or something. I don't know, somehow.
You're not asking me for computer help, are you?
Okay, there's the URL in the chat for the Collab Bounty Payoff Rewards Decision Maker Matrix. Okay, so scroll down to, didn't you just put your name in there? I could have sworn you put your name in there. Oh, we're looking at May again, sorry. Click on June. I don't know why it keeps going back to May.
There I am. Here I am, right here.
Okay, so in the ETH address, so click on your ETH address field B, column B, and paste in your that ETH address.
I did. Enter?
Yep.
Hit enter?
Yep. You hit enter. Okay.
I did.
Now you did.
Okay.
Okay, so now that's in there. So that means you're going to get paid at the end of June. And that number there, 179, will change all month as people work on the sheet. And since you're helping me with marketing right now, in the marketing column, put 5% for yourself.
God, I feel guilty. Marketing.
You have to set a good example for the kids by doing this.
5? Just put a 5 there, right?
Enter, yeah. Okay, and you didn't get anything. So let's go up to the top of the marketing column, the green, and put in a $500 budget there. Okay, so now you got 211 rocks coming to you.
Now, is rocks your personal name for it, or everybody calls it rocks? That's really what it's called.
That's really what it's called. RHOC.
Ah, thank you.
RHO is row for the row calculus. And the C is for calculus.
Okay.
Row calculus. Okay, I'm going to share here so we can see. How
I should stop
works.
share, right?
That's okay. I stole it.
Okay.
Okay, so I go down to Stacy here, and I probably should have let you show one thing first, but oh well. So I just click on the cell and then I do Control C, and that should copy it. And now I click on my Metamask here. Okay, and I see I'm in the BYOID account. That's an account that has some Ethereum, some rock. OMG, this is a drop, what they call an airdrop. They do put an airdrop. And then this LPT, I think that's an airdrop too. I don't know where we got that, but that's worth $11. And they just gave it, somebody just gave us that. You know, they gave it to random accounts or every account on the Ethernet, on the internet. And they just gave it away and people traded it and it got a value.
Wow.
Which looks pretty good. It's like $5 a piece. I got 2.180 LPT, which I could look up, but I don't really care. I don't know.
Does that mean I could open up the screen one day and see that a company just gave me money to use?
Yeah. Yeah, and if you advertise your one guy in the early days of Bitcoin stood up in the stadium and held up this QR code that was big, and they zoomed in on it, and people sent him thousands of dollars in Bitcoin.
Oh my goodness!
Because it was on his QR code was on TV. They just thought it was so cool they sent him money. They sent him Bitcoin.
Wow.
Oh yeah, this account has 1 million decentralized identifiers. This is for our Bring Your Own Identity project, and we're going to award BYOID tokens to people for cooperating on identity in their webs of trust. Okay, but that's not the account I want to use here. The R-Chain Activist account is where you're going to get paid at. But I'm going to go to my primary account, and here I have all kinds of tokens. That's not what I wanted to show. And this is the QR code. So anybody who's watching this video, send me money. Okay, I clicked on the details for the account. But what I'm going to do is, what I want to do is, I had hit the hamburger menu, which gave me all the kinds of tokens I had. But regularly, we just get the send and deposit here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send some ETH, okay, to the account, and I'm going to paste in your account here, okay, and I'm going to send you 0.1 ETH, which is about 25 bucks.
Wow.
Okay, and you don't need that much ETH, but you need some ETH in order to do transactions. Every time you do a transaction, it uses a few cents.
Okay.
To do the transaction, you basically have to pay the people who are running nodes of Ethereum, you know, to cover the cost of them. This is, you know, there's thousands of machines running nodes, and they each get some reward so that the Ethereum network always runs, and there's no company or organization or government that can control it or run it.
So that 0.1 that you just put into my account, that came from the Collab Bounty Payoff Rewards decision?
That came from me personally. This is from my primary account.
Okay.
Okay, and I can see that it's pending here.
Okay.
Okay, and so you won't see it yet, but you can share your screen again. And click on your Metamask, top right, the Fox. Okay. Oh, you got it. 24 US dollars. You're rich. Okay. That's good. You got it. So if you, let's see, so if you click the three dots next to account one, you can hit view on Etherscan. Okay, and you can see that you had a transaction 1 minute ago. Okay, if you click on that page somewhere, the MetaMask should close. Okay, and you can see that the value is 1 Ether. And this will show, this is on a public ledger. Everyone can see that this account sent or received Ether, or which is like the money of Ethereum, and tokens, and such.
How many different kinds of tokens are there?
Thousands. Okay, so now I'm going to take the screen share back again. And I'm going to go in here and oh dear, oh dear.
What? I don't like oh dear.
I don't see a JWTs here. Don't see your tokens. Add token. Search tokens. JWT. My token isn't listed. My JWT token isn't listed here. That's okay. I'll send you something else.
What does JWT stand for?
A Jim White Trevor token.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, it's not too well known. You could be one of the special privileged people that own some. They're very rare. But I have to add them to my MetaMask. My MetaMask doesn't know about them because I haven't registered the token, I guess, on Etherscan or wherever I should have. It is registered on Parity, but not here.
Parity is what?
Parity is an Ethereum, an Ethereum implementation and group of people. Gavin Wood is one of the original Ethereum developers who kind of made his own company, and they have their own products, and you know, they just come out with the substrate blockchain, which is really cool, and we're hoping to put Rolang on it, which is the art chain. Okay. Row calculus language. So what am I going to do? What will I send you? I just want to show you.
I feel like I'm going away with a goodie bag.
Yeah.
A virtual goodie bag.
Now I'm clicking on Metamask here, and my machine is kind of slowing down. So let's see. We can. I'll send you some rocks. Okay, and the reason I'm not sending out of the Colab account is because that's everything paid out of there is paid by consent. We need a consensus in order to pay out of that account.
So you'll be able to get reimbursed though?
Not exactly, but I'm not sending you much. Most of the I've actually donated most of the funds in that account anyway. Okay, so I'm going to send some rock, and I'm going to paste in your address again, and I'm going to send you 100 rocks. Next, confirm. Okay, so now you can see here I sent tokens, and it's pending. Eventually, they'll show up on your in your wallet. And let's see so 100 rock. Okay. The beginning of last year, that would have been worth $240.
Wow.
Today, it's worth about maybe $4 or $5, whatever.
And that's because?
That's because of the market, the free market.
Okay.
If we look up rock price, it's worth almost 7 cents today. So that's like $6.70. Your 100 rocks is worth $6.77. Each, you understand? Each rock is worth 6.77 cents.
Yes.
Or $0.0677.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And we're not going to get into buying and selling today. We're into what we're into is giving.
I'm into receiving.
The gifting economy is part of my dream. And in a sense, this Colab spreadsheet is part of it. We gift to the people that have helped the Colab for the last month, right? Mm-hmm. There's no contracts, there's no employment. We pay ourselves. It's a glimpse of the utopia that someday will emerge on planet Earth if it survives.
Look, being part of that, that's the gift for me.
And you can share your screen again, and and if you reload this page, you should see, it should update. I don't know why it didn't update. It doesn't, it only shows the one transaction. Did I screw up?
I thought I got a
Oh,
notification.
it's still loading. Interesting. There's one transaction. Oh, I know why. Transaction wasn't sent to your account. It was sent to the token contract. You have to click the second thing there, ERC20 token transactions.
Wait a minute. Wait. You went too quick for me. Where am I going?
Okay, currently we're looking at transactions at the bottom. You see that? It says transactions in the box. In the box, in the bottom box, it says transactions, and there's one transaction in that box.
Oh, the TXN hash. Is that transactions?
Yeah. No. Above that it says transactions. Okay. Next to that it says ERC20 token transactions.
Yes.
Click that. Yeah. Okay, and here we see that you received 100 rock 5 minutes ago.
Can I press this got it and get it off?
Press what?
Can I press this where it says got it so it'll go away?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the gRPC regulation on cookie use. Okay, so if you click on your Metamask, Fox again, top right. Okay, we can see your account here. Okay, anybody in the world can see it on Etherscan. But you can see it in your wallet here. Okay, and if you click the hamburger menu, oops. Oh, go back and yeah. Okay, and yeah, that one. Okay, you can see it says loading tokens. And there's your 100 rock. Okay, so if you wanted to send rocks to somebody, you would click on rock.
Click on here, you mean?
Yeah.
Click on.
No. Click on the rock. Okay, and now you would hit the send button. Okay, and then you would find the account number on somewhere. Either they send it to you, or you got their QR code or whatever. Scan their Q card. If you go back to the collab, the collab tab, which is the spreadsheet. The next tab, you can kill the Ethereum tab. Okay.
You want me here, right?
Yeah. Okay, you scroll up on there. Who do you know on there that has an Ethereum address? Scroll up a little more. You see Steve Henley. Oh, I didn't.
You're not here.
That's true. I'm not there.
And I don't know anybody.
You don't know anybody. I'm trying to think who you might know. Maybe you don't know anybody. That's true.
Could I know him?
There's yeah. It looks like there's nobody from Dig Life on here. Except Gary. Gary Coulter's on daylight. You know Gary?
No, but whoever you find.
Yeah, well, just click, copy Gary's address and send him 10 rocks. Copy his address.
Why isn't it highlighting?
Don't worry about highlighting. Just right click.
Oh, right click. Okay.
Copy.
Okay. Go back to this thing.
Yeah, you probably got to select the hamburger menu again and rock again. Send again.
Let me get our pictures out of the way. Send.
And then click on the 2 and paste it in. Okay, and then in the amount, put 10. Why is that highlighted up there?
This? I don't know.
You know, part of the, yeah.
10, right? Now go next.
Now go next.
Click next.
Yeah. That's the giving spirit.
And then I gave him 13 cents. Oh, I only gave him 13 cents.
Right.
I can hit confirm.
Yeah. Well, actually, you know, the price they have is different. Okay. The price we just saw on Coin Market Cap was 6.7 cents. So the price they have here is a different price. Right. So 10 rock would have been worth 67 cents, according to Coin Market Cap.
Okay.
But it may be that on some exchanges, you can buy them for that, you know, for, oh, I'm sorry, that's the fee. There's a fee, is 13 cents. You're paying 13 cents to send it.
Okay.
Okay, now if you hit edit, you can pay less fee if you're not in a hurry. And we're not in a hurry. We don't want to waste 13 cents.
If you insist.
Okay, and we can hit slow. And that'll take like 10 minutes.
Oh, so it depends on how fast you want it.
Right.
That's
you volunteer to, in essence, volunteer to pay whatever you want to pay, but the miners want to make the most money. So they're going to mine the transactions that have the highest fees. Oh, if you hit save now, it's going to remember that. It's not clear you always want to do that, but now you can see it only costs us a penny.
Now, can I press confirm?
Yep. So we saved a lot on fees here. Just that Gary won't.
12 cents. 12 cents.
Awesome. Okay, now it still says 100 rock, which is a little bit surprising. It certainly should show 90 rocks at this point.
It's saying pending.
Okay.
Probably after it's not pending anymore.
Yeah, right. Yeah, because when it's pending, it hasn't been even accepted on the chain yet. Until it's confirmed, you don't know that you've actually spent the 10 rocks.
Right. See, if we would have spent the extra 12 cents in commission, it would probably be less now.
Right. Yeah, it could take a long time to show your correct balance now. So I'll have have to tell Gary, you know, he's the benefactor. I mean, so, you know, people that expect rock is going to be, you know, worth $1 by the end of the year, you know, they think 10 rock is not a bad gift.
I don't think so. It works for me.
Yeah.
So now will he know?
No.
Who sent it?
He'll know the account number, but it's anonymous. Unless he looks on the sheet. If he looks on the collab sheet, he'll, you know, I mean, he'll have to look at his account and see what happens. Now, there are services that will watch your account and send you an email. But otherwise, you have to look yourself. You have to go to Etherscan and look at your account. And you say, oh, somebody sent me money. Do I know who that is? And now there's you know, I use the Parity wallet, and that has a really nice directory of people's names and accounts. But because of other problems with that wallet, I don't recommend you use it yet. But it's the kind of, you know, it's a much, you know, it has a lot more functionality than Metamask. It doesn't have the convenience of Metamask really, although it almost does. It has a browser plugin also.
But in theory, a person receiving money could find out who sent it to them? Or no?
No.
That's dangerous.
Well, you know, since everything is recorded on a public blockchain, eventually it could be deduced.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Okay.
Okay, you know, unless all the accounts that interact, you don't, nobody knows who they are.
Right.
But, you know, it's like if I receive stolen coins, then everybody starts watching my account. And anybody who receives those coins, whoever they send money to, you know, if we know who they are, they get warned that that you know, somebody sent them stolen rock or whatever. And then maybe we can prosecute the guy that sent the bad rock or whatever. I don't know.
So now what? What's next?
Well, we have success. We completed our task. You're part of the collab, and we have a video in the can that we can share with someone who wants to get started using rock.
Cool.
So
thank you for letting me participate.
Thank you for being our guinea pig today. Is there anything else? Any questions or other things that we should discuss? Maybe I'll end the recording now. Thanks again.
Thank you.